All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here actually in Sandusky County, Ohio. But check this one out here. We completed this actually. This was a 2-day build, but you know, speed really, I mean, if you got the crew, it's a crew of 5 and they have the obviously the equipment, but 40 by 72, 16. But in this video, I just want to share with you what he used as far as the posts, and then I'll give you kind of just an overview, cursory overview of this building right here. You see a beautiful brown color there. See that? Everything brown, fascia soffit, outside corners. And then you can see 2 windows. So this is gonna be used as a hay building, or hay barn, hay pole barn. And you see a couple silver line windows there out front, but as we go inside here, you see you're gonna have to bring this up to grade. Right now he's not looking to do that, obviously with making this as a hay building. No need to put concrete in this. Maybe in the future, depending on use case, he may do that. But you can see what we did here. We used 2x10 bottoms, skirt board there, 3 ply laminated columns, and again, we talk about the different pressure points. Again, spanned 40 feet. So this is, again, we talked about it, a good economical option. Given 6x6, you know, you avoid the warp, the twists. You got a straight, true, and it's a little bit stronger, 30% stronger than a 6x6 post. You can see it's glued, laminated, finger jointed together, so you can see that pressure point 1 right there, and then you also got a pressure point 2, and then you also got a pressure point 3. All right, so we utilized 2x6 wall girt construction, 30 inches apart, as you can see here. Then as far as the backfill here, again, we don't cut corners. Obviously, this is out in the country against Sandusky County, Ohio. But again, you can see here, we use 411 berm mix as a backfill. So down to that post, we dig down 4 feet, and then we use 2x6 treated uplifts in that hole to keep it from going up. And then also, if you look up here, the trusses here, again, that's a 2100 truss system up there, all right? 2100, bottom cord, 2x6, top cord, 2x6. Again, spanning 40 feet in width. And you can see we have hurricane ties up there. See how we attach the hurricane ties? And that hurricane ties, this is out in the open here. Get some wind coming actually down from Bowling Green, Wood County, Ohio. And it'll whip right down here through Sandusky County. So it gets some decent wind, actually quite a bit of wind, and out here to open field. So you can see we use the vapor barrier as the condensation control up there. So fairly straightforward there, and kind of give you an idea. So this is gonna be a hay barn, but yeah, so another one. Actually, it was a 2-day build, so fairly efficient. But again, these guys do it every day, all day. Build, you know, fairly big buildings. So this was fairly simple for them to do. So anyway, if you liked the video, give them a thumbs up. Keep it locked and loaded for more videos right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.